Drying banana. Basically easy as well. However, I suggest to dry the banana only when it is very ripe. Not even this is ripe enough. It should be really turned, not completely brown, but brown on, say, 30% of its surface. And then actually, well, cut it, of course, without, just in pieces of 5 to 10 millimeters of height. And bananas are very easy to dry. Also, they are not very hygrophile, and they can be kept stored easily. But remember, if your bananas are not ripe, they will taste very different from the very ripe ones. Also, the dark bananas, like red bananas, do also taste very well.